Okay, so this is a little bit about the strum pattern. Realize again that the sound of the strum pattern is important to understand before you expect your fingers to do it. So one trick I like to do is play this pattern with all down strums. I can't remember if you prefer a thumb or fingers or pick, but I'm just going to use my thumb to start with. So the strum pattern is just this. So if we do all downs, that takes out the down and the up aspect. So the rhythm is just down, 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 down. So it'd be like this. 2, 3, 4. And that actually works pretty well, so you could try it that way to start with. Then, if we add the downs and the ups, that's when it gets really complicated because, I think partly because up strums feel so awkward. Strumming down is one thing, but if you're using your thumb, then when you strum up, it just sounds different with your thumbnail, and it feels all weird. So one other trick is to try the same strum pattern with all up strums. Very awkward, might have to go a little slower, but I think it's worth a little bit of time doing that. Now it might be fun too, it's a little bit boring just to do that over and over again, so if you want to try the chords to I'm Yours, for example, we could do the C, the G, the A minor, and the F, even if you have hesitations, as a way to not get too bored trying that strum pattern for a while. So let me do those chords, C, G, A minor, F, with all up strums. 2, 3, 4. And again, you can keep doing that. Not fun, not comfortable, but it should get you used to doing the up strums. Then here's the bottom line. What you want to do, of course, is down, down, up, up, down. So it should be. Now that could also be where we're getting hung up because it's very counterintuitive to do 2 ups in a row. So it's supposed to be down, down, up. And what happens is, you might remember, if we don't hear a strum, we assume that our hand froze and stopped moving. It's not true. The hand keeps going. So I'm not going like this. I'm not going. Because if I stop there, then the very next strum is going to be a down. And that's off kilter. So what we want to do is down, down, up, up, down. So there's actually kind of a down strum where you're not hitting anything. So another way to practice that is do just ups. And of course, you have to put your thumb back over here to do another up strum. So up, up, up. Now when I do that, I don't feel like I'm doing a down strum and not hitting anything, but that's kind of what's happening. So watch it in the strum pattern again and look for the 2 ups in a row. Pretty cool, huh? Let me do it a few more times. I'm just going to hold a C chord. 2, 3, 4. One, two, again, play. So hopefully that helps. Doing the strum pattern with all downs, just to get the rhythm in your head. Do it with all ups. And then doing it with the correct strum pattern, of course. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Hope that helps.